What is up, you guys? It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and today we're back with another installment to Damn the Making. We are looking at the music video one this time. I think there is one last one, environment, that we will be doing next time. I think that would be the end, though. I think that's it, and then we're done with this series. Which is super cool. We know a lot about what went into this, which is super awesome. This is a 10-minute video. I have to teach in like 40 minutes, so I do have to make this rather quick, which is fine because usually I don't really have much to say after these kinds of videos other than like mad respect. So yeah, just a heads up. As always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It helps me out. Don't forget to let me know what you want to see in the comments below. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. Let's go. All right, we have it pulled up here. I have a new mic, so hopefully we don't have any issues with that anymore. Let's get into it.
Ng boys talaga may idea sila. So as a director, kailangan ko ma-meet halfway kung anong gusto nila. Let's go. Ready na?
Alam naman namin na it should be something na manggagaling din sa atin na ganito yung gusto namin mangyari. It should be clear from your end and especially from our end also. So we'll do our best para ma-explain sa inyo kung ano talaga yung gusto namin na mangyari.
Okay. Tapos may fog na.
Mas feeling ko rin yung shadows. Parang mas strong yung shadows ng lahat.
Foggy siya, foggy. Challenge for me is mabuo yung gusto nilang mangyari and ma-meet talaga yung expectations nila. So during naman siya shoot, kahit 2 days siya, parang marami talagang scenes na kailangan i-shoot and also maraming palit ng damit, lalo na yung kay Stel, kasi dual personality siya eh.
Love it.
Roll camera, music, and action. Pasok yan. Dali.
Gusto namin ipahiwating din na parang importante talaga sa amin kasi gusto namin i-risk, i-sacrifice yung mga activities namin for this one. So.
Where's my subtitles?
One more, dikit nyo na yung music. Ganoon naman kami every era, syempre, namin, talagang pinaghahandaan namin na tinatry namin higitan
so
kung ano man yung mga nakaraan. Pero for this one, siguro, matindi yung paniniwala namin about it. And personally ako, binibigay ko rin talaga yung mabibigay ko para syempre mas magkaroon, kung ma-amplify pa kung ano yung dam ngayon.
Itong music video na to is kakaiba sa mga dating releases nila kasi hindi to yung kakanta talaga sila. More on ano talaga to eh. Story-driven, emotion-driven din siya. So basically, kung anong gusto kong emotions na ipoportray nila, nagagawa nila.
Gosh, acting was so hard.
Sobrang pinag-isipan talaga lahat ng kailangan connected siya sa past releases din namin. So lahat ginawa siya with a reason. Kung i-try mo siya i-connect sa mga dating kanta namin, talagang meron siyang prequel tsaka may sequel.
I would be laughing the whole time. They're so professional with it.
Sa Damn era talaga, sa simula at wakas, mas very collaborative sila kasi talagang gusto nila pagandahin yung era na to.
Parang hindi siya maganda pangalawagan. Parang siya pangalawagan. Parang siya maganda pangalawagan. Siguro ako, rather than nakakonect sa character na power, B-roll talaga na wala kami. So, di ba yung shots? Para mahaba kasi yung shots, di ba
My man's working.
Yun nga yung sa part ng kanta na parang paano hihigitan yung sagad na. So very pressure talaga yon. So parang ginagalingan talaga din nila when it comes sa pagko-collaborate sa amin.
Itong creativity ng era na to, madugo, literal. Literal na dugo, pawis at away bago nabuo yung concept nito. Kasi madami kaming meetings at creative process para napagkasundoan na ganito yung gagawin namin. Collaboration of, syempre, with us, 1032, and a lot of people na naging ambitious kami again for this time.
That must be hard on his eyes, contacts and wind.
Si Justin talaga yung parang sa grupo, siya talaga yung creative din talaga.
My man!
So, pag siya nagsasuggest, pag siya nagbibigay ng like input niya din talaga, yung naisip ko din, mas nadadagdagan din ng flavor kasi parang nagkakaroon kami ng batuhan in a way.
So yung Dam na song itself, galing siya sa pakiramdam. And syempre, yung meaning, yung dam mismo rin na nagko-control sa tubig. Alam mo yung pag meron kang gustong gawin, pag nagawa mo na siya, may another ka na namang gustong gawin. So yung pakiramdam na yun,
Ito na yung nasomon mo. Successful na. Yeah, so i-ano mo lang, give your energy.
yung sinasabi rin nung buong simula at wakas. Pag natapos mo na yung sinimulan mo, magsisimula ka ulit ng panibago.
Girl, that's my husband. You be careful with those lips.
Kasi parang ang tagal na rin namin ulit nag-aral ng bagong choreography since Gento and Crimson and everything. Comeback siya. So parang dapat pag handaan talaga yung magiging choreography ng mismong song. So nung inaral namin siya, akala namin nung una na parang madali lang siyang aralin kasi well, sanay naman talaga kami mag-aral ng choreography. Pero iba na nung inaral namin eh. Especially when Kuya Jay explained every detail, hinimay-himay niya yung steps talaga. Personally, for me, naging challenging siya.
Tingin. Last one lang daw po.
Yun. Wapo.
Originally, yung parang concept or yung inspiration dito is a real dam, something like a reservoir kung saan mo iniipon yung tubig para may energy ka, meron kang resource pagdating kapag nawala ng kuryente or anything. In a way, yun din yung mga experiences mo in life, iniipon mo siya lahat. And there will be a time that you will use it kasi syempre, you have to use it kapag kailangan mo na. Walang hanggang pag gusto ng mga tao. So, in the end, parang tayo rin yung naghahanap ng answer sa lahat ng katanungan.
Yung pakiramdam na nahihirapan ka, nagsasuffer ka because you're wanting more. Wala pa yung dam na music, na song, na-imagine na namin na yung magiging concept namin is basically ganito. So, actually, nauna pa yung concept bago yung kanta. Kakaiba yung setup namin ngayon.
Binibigay talaga namin yung buong passion namin para sa path na ito.
Lagi namin ginagawa yung best namin pagdating sa lahat ng bagay. Pero the question is, ano pa ba yung pwede namin maibigay for the people, for ourselves, to better ourselves? So, yun yung isa sa mga line na gustong-gusto ko kasi that question is something that's really hard to answer. But you will see the solution or yung sagot kapag ginawa mo na yung certain thing. So, yun, pushing yourself to the limits.
Super cool to see my man's at work. Wow, how lovely of them to film this video just for me to be able to watch my husband work. Go on, he works. It's like that song. You don't gotta go to work. Cause there's something about work. You know what? You can work from home. Justin, just saying. Anyways, amazing. Like I said, I don't know what else to say after I watch these videos aside from mad respect. I really resonate with what Pablo said there at the end in terms of what can you do when you reach a certain point. You make things better for yourself, for the people, you just try to better yourself every day. I love that he SB19 has constantly put that message forward, and I really appreciate that from them as a group, because I don't know, it's also inspirational. I mean, after looking at SB19's story and everything like that, the challenges they had to overcome to get to this point, in combination with all that they're doing and and their mindset and their talent and their hard work and dedication, all of that, it's really cool to see. And I look forward to way more SB19 stuff. Gosh, I know it's hard because they do a lot of the work themselves and stuff, and they're very in the process. So it's not like other groups that are pumping out a lot of music. And so I want the music to be pumped out a lot, but I understand that that's probably not realistic. But still, I can't wait for more music from SB19. Yeah, we're gonna continue on with this series next time, and then let me know what you want to see in the comments below. As always, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share whatever the cool YouTubers say. It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and I am bouncing out.